Hi. In this video I am going to show you a mistake that can makes in a variation of Queen's Gambit opening. White plays d4 and black plays d5. Then c4, e6, knight c3, knight f6, bishop g5. In this position white can play knight bd7. Then white takes d5 and black takes d5. In this position if white plays knight takes d5, it is a blunder. Because, in this position black can takes d5. Now, if white takes queen, white can play bishop b4 check. Now white have only one option. He must play queen d2 to cover the check. Now bishop takes queen. Then white king takes d2, black king takes d8. Now the position is better to white. So, in this position, as white player you should not takes this pawn. You can play normally e3, in this position. Thanks for watching this video.